Hi everyone, I'm just popping on today to let you know about a giveaway that I'm going to be offering in the month of December. Now, I'm not allowed to send Stampin' Up product outside of the UK, so I've got two separate giveaways, and how this is going to work basically is I'm going to draw at random one name from each of the videos that will be posted in the month of December and offer to send one of these 4 stamp sets. And then, because I know that I have people that watch me worldwide, I'm going to draw 2 names over the 4 videos that will be posted in December and send you these projects that I've made. So what you have to do is, there will be 4 videos. So the first, by the time you see this video, the first video will already be live on my YouTube channel. So the video dates are the 3rd of December, the 7th of December, the 14th of December, and the 21st of December. You have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel, and it has to be publicly subscribed so that I can see that you are actually subscribed. A lot of people say they're subscribed, but I can't find them on my subscriber list. So you have to be publicly subscribed so I know that you actually are subscribed to the channel. If you live in the UK, you just need to say in the comment under the video that you want to leave your comment on, you just need to say subscribed. If you're anywhere else in the world, you just need to tell me the country where you are. And then you can leave a comment on all 4 videos, you can leave a comment on one video, it's entirely up to you, but you'll only be able to win 1 prize. And then what I will do on the 28th of December, I will go back through the 4 videos and I will randomly select a name from each of the videos and just allocate a stamp set to that winner for that video. And then for the worldwide giveaway, I will just randomly select 2 names over the 4 videos. So all the winners will be posted on my blog after the 28th of December. I'll try and actually do it on the 28th, the day that I draw the names, but with it being that period in between Christmas and New Year, I'm not exactly sure what I'll be doing, but I will draw the names, so 6 names from 4 videos, from the videos in the month of December, okay? And then I'll post the winners' names on my blog. Then you will have to contact me using the contact information on my website and send me your address. Okay, so just to recap, 4 videos going live in December, 3rd, 7th, 14th and 21st. If you live in the UK and want to be entered, just leave the comment subscribed in the comments section under the respective video. If you're anywhere else in the world, leave me the country where you live. So I hope that's clear. There will be an accompanying blog post with this video, so if you want to just go and read the terms and conditions in case you're still a bit confused, go to my website, click on the blog tab and look for this thumbnail. Anyway, I hope that you all have a great Christmas or holiday season wherever you are. And as I say, I just want to thank you all for continuing to support me. So thank you once again, and I'll see you in my next video.